Premier Chess Academy is a chess academy. It's one of the largest online chess academies that is focused on kids and providing live coaching experience. So Premier Chess Academy was started in the midst of COVID, July 2020. That's when we started.
My name is Ranjit Palashan. I'm the founder and CEO of Premier Chess Academy, which is headquartered in US. Why chess and why it was started?
The chess is a huge market. Globally, chess has got a lot of acceptance, a lot of players playing chess. But at the same time, what we try to do with kids, I think this is a very important aspect of why we are doing chess. Through chess, it's not just that we want to promote the love for the game in kids, but we want to also really develop certain soft skills.
I took up that opportunity, evaluated what is that we can do to solve the situation and frame the company and connect the world through chess. Begin is helping us run our operations on day-to-day basis on a simple and easy manner. Why Begin?
A lot of our leads comes through marketing efforts like regular paid marketing.
You can manage 10 or 15 handful on a daily basis on an Excel or a WhatsApp, whatever. But when you cross that to 100, 200 volume a day or even more, absolutely you can't handle that. But on the other side, when the people expands, the coordination between the people and this lead generation becomes an entire mess. I evaluated the product because I was a product manager by nature. And on day one, I started in love with Begin. By end of the day, in 24 hours, the Begin is all set and the team is ready to use.
After this Begin, everything is in one hand. So before I used to use Google Sheet and WhatsApp mostly. While using Google Sheet, the thing is, if I am only the one who is handling the sheet, it's okay. But when number of people handling the sheet has increased, it's kind of a difficult situation there. But learning Begin was much easier than learning Google Sheet. My daily touch with Begin is regarding the trial allotment, regarding any information they need to understand from us. All these things will be done through the Begin itself. The trials are also being assigned through Begin.
So they will assign the trial a day before and I will get a notification on that as an event. And in the morning after the event, I will just go to Begin and fill the task. In the task, there is an option called notes. I will fill the kid evaluation there and complete the task. If I am traveling or like somewhere outside, I'll be notified about everything through the mobile app. It's very helpful for me in my day-to-day life. Yeah.
Once we have received the leads, right? We have set up a workflow in a way that the leads will automatically receive trial confirmation mail that we have received your request. Even if I miss to contact them manually, the mail will be automatically generated. The other thing is, which we were struggling earlier is, when we contacted a lead, sometimes they may not get enrolled at that time itself. If the lead comes back, it is easier for us to get all the information from the Begin itself. So earlier, while we were using Google Sheet, we have to segregate or separate this idea, like some leads will be trial attended, some are trial allotted only, they haven't attended, some are in the progression phase, some are in the conversion phase, like that, okay? So now it is like just a tag. So when I filter through these tags, right? So if I see a date change, in Begin we can see the date change also. So if I say, suppose if I miss a lead from somewhere, earlier I was not able to understand my mistake. But in Begin, I'll be able to easily identify if I have missed some leads. As a salesperson, I use Begin mostly for the communication between the parents before they get enrolled. So we used to send email which is integrated with Begin. We used to send the confirmation mails once they are enrolled, or other requests like what all things the newly joined parents need. But when it comes to the customer service, that is for the kids, those who are already enrolled, there they will be using WhatsApp integration.
The most important thing that we track on Begin is the sales process, right? So once we get the lead, our follow through to a trial, then from trial on to different stages of negotiation or clarification for the customer until they enroll. And this is our main pipeline. We also have a sub pipeline, but the most important use case for us is the sales pipeline that we track.
So my favorite feature in Begin is the dashboard. We will be able to evaluate our graph as well as the team graph in the dashboard. Earlier, I used to get the email ID from the customer and then I need to draft the mail. But now it is very easy that I created a template in the Begin itself, in the emailing part. So just select the contact or the lead. I just select the template. All the information regarding the lead will be automatically updated in the template. Just a click away that process is done.
So we have been using Begin for almost 4 to 5 years right now. The tangible advantage that we have seen in Begin is absolutely like gorgeous. In terms of team grew from 0 to 150. The customers or the revenue went from 0 to 2 million or more. That's like a multi-million national company. So the Begin helped us to scale into this volume and revenue on few angles.
One is that there is total visibility. The number of manual errors have significantly reduced. And the third important thing for me is collaboration. On the same platform, looking at the same data and getting a single source of truth for what is happening with every single lead and how we are able to convert them. And Begin helps us do that. Would I recommend it to others?
I have already recommended Begin to a lot of my friends who are in the startup world, and any small company or medium enterprises, you will see an extremely important transformation in your business when you start using Begin.